Hi guys, and welcome to your very own Tech and More. Hope you guys are doing awesome. So first of all, a great thank you to all of you for an astounding response on our last video, that is Salesforce testing mock interview. I am glad that you loved it. And as a lot of people commented that they want more videos around it, that is more set of questions, more Salesforce testing mock interviews. So don't worry, the work is in progress. We are coming up with more set of questions, more candidates, and trying to deliver the best of quality. So stay tuned for subscribers. If you haven't, we'll be coming up with more relevant videos. Now about this video, uh, there was a request from one of the subscribers that they want a sample Salesforce testing resume, which is ATS friendly as well. If you don't know what is ATS friendly, very quickly, when you share your resume with the HR, it goes through an automated system that shortlists the resume on the basis of the formatting and everything. If you want to know, just go and Google. You'll find a very good definition on it. But yes, um, our resume that I've created is basically an ATS friendly resume, and it entails all the details and all the information that you need. The only thing is that do not copy paste this resume blindly. This is created more from a generic perspective with reference to Salesforce and QA and automation in mind. You can make changes as per your experience and your skill set, right? So let's go and have a look at that. But before that, very quickly, what makes a resume good? The professional formatting and readability, impactful professional summary, technical skills section, experience section, certifications, and additional sections as well. So we have kept in mind that everything that is mentioned here is added, or the resume is configured in such a manner. So let's go and see how the resume looks. So I'm going to click here, and this is the resume for you. Sorry, I'll just put myself here. So Harry Potter apparently is a Salesforce tester who is going to apply for a Salesforce testing job. The designation is written here. Then the resume starts with "About me." This is something that you can 90-80% copy as it is, or maybe just make some tweaks here and there, because if you copy it as it is, it's not a good practice, and your resume will duplicate because a lot of folks are watching this. Then you share your basic contact details here, which is my contact. And then you go to tools and platforms. So herein you're going to mention what tools and platform have you worked upon, or what tools are you an expert of. Uh, a typical Salesforce testing professional would know Java, Selenium, Cucumber, TestNG, SOQL, Jira, IntelliJ, any sort of ID, Jenkins, Maven, and so on. Then you will mention the testing skills here as, I'm sorry, you will mention the testing skills here as written. I mean, the samples are here. You can add or subtract according to your wish. Automation testing, functional testing, database, Salesforce, mobile, and so on. Then lastly, you have this professional experience section wherein you will mention your company name, your designation, your start year, your end year, and then you can take some pointers from this list. I know when drafting a resume, the most difficult part is how to put down the relevant pointers in your experience. So you take some pointers from here, make some tweaks, treat this as a template or a sample, if you may. Uh, get an idea of how these particular things are used, how these particular pointers are created, and then make your tweaks according to yourself. So this gives you a sort of a framework or a baseline of how to start your resume for Salesforce testing, and then you make your tweaks accordingly, right? So this is it. And don't worry if you, I mean, of course, you need this resume for a more detailed view. I'll be sharing the link to this particular resume in the video description, so you can go and access it from there. It's available to all. So I hope that this video is helpful to you all, and you are able to prepare or chalk out a very good resume. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more Salesforce testing mock interviews, plus a lot of other content that we're going to come up with. We're going to come up with a boot camp for business analysis. We're going to come up with how AI is revolutionizing in different domains, and how give a demo of a couple of products and so on. And lastly, we are going to have a new batch of Hello IT, or functional side of IT, wherein we train folks in business analysis, quality analysis, and test automation right from the scratch. So if you're interested, I'm going to paste the link to that particular training as well. You can go and view all the details there and join a WhatsApp group. You have my number there, and you can reach out to me directly as well. So yeah, I hope that this information is helpful to you, and definitely see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.